In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F05 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. First of all, open settings and scroll to access lock screen. Then hit screen lock type and after entering your screen lock, hit face. Now choose continue, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then select done, go back, and when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!